Tickets from crew, please. Thank you. And more tickets from crew, please.
We are going to Tesco.
Hello.
Waiting for the bus to go to the Seaford Beach, and we'll start our journey there today. And all the way go to Seven Sister Cliff, and all the way back here.
The entire sentence sounds normal as fuck, except the end.
So,
Yeah.
so I reckon we can just take one bus from here. Go to our destination, and from there we can walk back.
Destination.
Good day, good day.
So, just the ticket here, or should I get a return ticket?
No return. We are walking back here. Did you not hear everything that I've just said? Okay.
That sounds crazy.
It's pretty dangerous. I'm wearing white again. Oh, the fog is clearing up. And FYI, this is the toilet. This is the worst toilet I've ever seen. Smells like dog pee, dog poop, human pee, human poop. I have to hold my breath for a full 1 minute. What about yours?
Yeah, it's bad.
How bad it was?
It's more like dog pee, dog poop, human pee, human poop. I had to hold my breath for 2 minutes. Right, so we're here at Satford Beach.
Careful now.
And I wouldn't exactly call this sand, so. And that's where we're going. Bring it. Well done. Ooh, I like it.
Really?
Yeah. I don't.
So this is our selection. I don't think this one make it.
Okay.
This it really like a mantle.
And the sun is out.
Morning's here. Morning is here.
Very pretty. See anything?
Zoom in.
God damn it. You can see? Oh, okay, I see it. Cuckmere Haven.
My hero. In order to get over this side, just now he piggybacked me and crossed the river from here to here. And now he's all wet. Soaking wet.
I might not be the hero you need,
Huh?
but I'm the hero you deserve.
So cliche, love it.
I come back to you already.
amazing. You alright, mate?
Shut up. Vibrant looking. So yeah, that's another female. As you can see, what's going on is the woman is nagging him, and the dude is just like, oh man. I asked you to do so many things you never do. Huh? Wash the plate, do the dishes,
I never do
do
that,
the
right?
laundry. What the fuck have you done the whole day?
Our next stop has finally arrived. M&S.
Thank you.
Pesto feta potato omelette with cheddar cheese, prawn, eggplant, cauliflower rice, and pizza. Can't really see. This omelette is really great. Got the cheddar cheese and the red pepper. Can you hold it with one hand? Helping me to clean shoes.
Still quite dirty.
Right. Cute.
What?
Tiramisu.
Did you miss me?
Yeah, I missed you.
There you go.
Trying M&S tiramisu. Creamy, light, 6. Perfect for you. Male Chihuahua.
With a pretty beach.
It's flying.